We are looking at the comprehension part of this meaning-based intervention for this pilot test here. Emergent and beginning level readers, and this is struggling readers, grades 1 and 2 are often reading at that level. At this level, comprehension often occurs at the sentence level just by the nature of the text. We're using expository text here, learnabouts published by River Stream. They're very picture driven. They use color very nicely, and they have a glossary up front. So I really like these books. This is a paper version for this pilot, knowing that eventually all this stuff will be digital. It will be online. Keep in mind that we are teaching cognitive processes using graphic organizers to develop the skill. Meaning, we do not want students to master the graphic organizers. We want them to do the skill automatically as they're reading, to engage in the cognitive process. 3 simple strategies will be used in this 5-lesson pilot, and I'll go over each one of these. And 5 books will be included so that you can do this. The first one is the pre-post confirmation. You tell students, you read through each of these and tell students that some of these will happen, some may not. This sets the purpose for reading. So as they are reading, they know what to look for. As you encounter these, yes or no, did it happen or is it true? And put the page number. Now there's always one that isn't true on here. So they would mark the X for no. And for that, some you can put the page number, some not. A rat drinks water is not in this book, so they would simply place X on the no. Sentence mix-up. This is a paper version, and again, comprehension happens at the sentence level. This is metacognition, thinking about thinking. You have sentence strips here. You cut them out and cut the sentence strips into individual words, mix them up, and students have to put them in order. And again, cognitive process, thinking about thinking, does this make sense? You got 2 sentences here. For extension, I sometimes give students both sentences mixed up, and they have to create sentences out of both of them. Initially, I just do 1 sentence at a time, but for an extension, give them 2 sentences, mix up all the words, and they have to create 2 sentences out of the mix-up. And then making connections between one thing and the next. Read through the list of words, tell students that they'll be encountering these, and they have to connect the thing in the book to the other thing in the book, making connections. And this is pretty self-evident. And again, this is comprehension at the emergent level and often occurs at the sentence level. It's a lot more difficult to do comprehension at this level than it will be for some of the upper levels.